What's up, everybody? Testing 1 2 7. It's a crisp 45 degrees outside. Expected to rise to a whopping 55 today. So I'm gonna get out and ride while I have the chance. Oh yeah. Also, just set up my GoPro again, so it's probably like aiming at the ground. I literally was rushing to get out. I'm kind of late. Me and my girlfriend are headed to another food pantry thing where we're gonna help give out food to some people in the need. Doing my good deed for the day. Yeah, I'm supposed to be there in 5 minutes and it's like 10:15 away, but whatever. Actually, I'm supposed to be there now. Oh well. Thought it. Well, I would like everyone to know that I'm about to get rid of my car. That was my buddy Lee. I just went to a dealership yesterday and custom ordered a car. I'm not going to say what it is yet. I'm going to make it like a little reveal out of it. You know, clickbait. Just kidding. But I am happy to say that I'm going to be custom ordering a car, and it's going to be pretty cool. And I wish I didn't have to custom order it. I wish I could have just found one and bought it, but they're pretty rare. It's not like that special or anything. But, I mean, it's hard to find what I wanted, so, yeah. But that means I'm going to keep my car, my little Mustang, for the few more months while it gets here. And then when it arrives, I'm going to sell it. I'm not sure if I'm going to trade it in or private sell it, or whatever. So yeah, if you guys are interested in buying a Mustang that doesn't really work that well, hit me up. Now, unfortunately, it was doing fine, and I stopped driving it for a while, and I came back to it. It does have problems. What is it? It has worn crank bearings, I think. It really doesn't have that much longer to live, unfortunately. And it was driving fine, and I stopped driving it for like probably a month or so, and I just recently came back to it, and now one of the cylinders is misfiring. So yeah, that's an issue. So I was hoping to like sell it for a decent amount, but now that it's having these problems, I'm just not really going to expect anything from it. But it is what it is, and that's why I'm getting a new car in the first place, is because mine is finally messing up. But it's a 2000. I've had it since I was like 15, so I can't complain. It's definitely, I've gotten its use out of it. Look at this swamp, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go for a little skinny dip right now. But yeah, anyway, that's just my little update video. It's probably gonna be real short, because I really don't have anything else to talk about, so yeah. So yeah, that's seen what I've checked off my checklist. Getting a new car, custom ordered it, selling my car eventually, going to food pantry, really don't know. That's really all I got. Sorry for wasting your time. Man, this road is like not great. Like parts of it are smooth, and then you just hit parts of it that are like randomly bumpy for no reason. Oh look, Backers! Hi there! What's your name? It is a bit chilly today, but here in Georgia, that's just how it's been. This is the only day it's like not supposed to rain, so I'm going to take advantage of that. It's probably still going to rain later, but whatever. I'm going to be out on the bike while I can. Yeah, I'm a fair weather rider. What about it? Fight me. I wish this guy would go a little bit faster, but I mean, whatever. Firewood for sale. I want to buy some firewood and catch it on fire. Seems like a wasted purchase. It's like one of the only things you buy to burn it. When you put it that way, it sounds really stupid. Yes, I'd like to make this purchase of tree parts that I can find anywhere. But I'm just gonna buy these from you and burn them. I'm just kidding. I know it makes sense, but it's just when you word it like that, it's kind of dumb. But yeah, I hope you guys stick around for this fancy little reveal I'm going to do in a couple months when the car gets here. I guess I'll eventually update you guys on like where the car is, because I know it has to be built and then has to get shipped and then has to arrive, and I have to go take delivery of it. And I mean, I don't know, there's a lot of steps to it really. And I mean, that's if everything goes well. I haven't paid anything and I haven't negotiated anything. So there's always a chance it gets here and like something's wrong, or the dealer like tries to do like a bait and switch on me or whatever. So I mean, there's always a slight chance, you know, I may not end up taking this car. I hope I do, and I hope everything goes decently well. But you never know. Alright guys, well that's all I got for you, so I'll catch you next time. Behind a funeral procession, really don't want to get too close. I've never been behind a cop with their lights on before. Goodbye, police! Always remember, if you see a funeral procession, you better stop. Like, for real, I hate people that just blow by those like nothing's going on.
I'll catch you next time. I'll catch you next time. I'll catch you next time.